I'm fine.
That's the Hialeah Police Department. We're here serving you an injunction order that a judge ordered for you. Is this her copy or that's her copy?
This one's her copy.
Okay.
Is your copy?
Well, I don't have my glasses, so what am I supposed to do with this?
No, that's just basically stating that you can't be within 500 feet of
The petitioner was Helen Marie Loans.
You got to be kidding me.
Yes, ma'am. They wrote a, and then you had there. You
Wait, hold on. Let me get this correct. Hold on, cause I gotta get this recorded.
We're recording now.
Yeah, so am I. This is a what?
That's an injunction order.
Injunction order. It's
And who filed this injunction?
Helen Marie Loans.
Who is Helen Marie? I don't know who that
That's the
is.
petitioner. That's the name on there.
Oh, Helen Marie Lowe's. Oh, she did. And the woman that just spoke to me and said hello to me, she filed this.
It looks like she did. You have a court date on this day. That's a hearing, December 21st, 2022 at 9 a.m.
December 21st. Okay, and Helen will be there? Okay, and who else is on this? Who else is on this?
The judge who signed it.
The judge who signed it, which is Elizabeth Espinoza.
Okay.
Okay.
So she went to court and testified to this?
No, it's not testifying. They just they open up and they get an injunction order for a court date.
What is the injunction for?
You want me to read it to you? 'Cause it's
Please.
on the paper. There's temporary injunction order for protection.
So you don't get drowned out. Can you turn that down because I want to make sure everything is recorded.
Well, I can't turn it on completely.
All right, not
because it's
completely, but I know
gotta
that.
keep it on, so. Okay, so temporary injunction order for protection against repeat violence. The petition.
Wait, did you say violence?
Ma'am, this is just, I'm reading what it says, okay? I don't know, I've never been here before. I'm just reading what it says and what the judge wants us to give you, okay?
Uh-huh.
So it says, the petition for injunction for protection against repeat violence under section 784.046 Florida statutes and other papers filed in this court have been reviewed. The court has jurisdiction of the parties and the subject matter under the laws of Florida. The term petitioner, as used in this injunction, includes a person on whose behalf this injunction is entered. It is intended that this protection order meets the requirements of 18 United States Code 2265 and therefore intended that it be accorded full faith and credit by the court of another state or tribe and enforced as if it were order of the enforcing state or tribune in the tribe. Okay.
Okay, no, wait, let me ask you a question. So is that information in this what you've given me? Okay, then you don't need to read it any further. So one last question. So this injunction was filed stating some form of violence at some point.
I guess everything's in there. Whatever they wrote on it, it's gonna say it there. So.
Okay.
We're just here serving you the injunction order.
Okay, so at this hearing, so this is, what happens when you file a false report in front of the court that's based on complete fabrication?
And you gotta prove that. Right?
Okay, all right, so I guess that's what I'm gonna have to do.
Hold on, because depending on what this says here, I know you guys are what? You guys live together here?
Yeah, I'm quite surprised about any violence, considering that she was just knocking on my door last night it's just, this is really unreal, but that's okay. There's no proof to any of this, and I will file suit for this is completely false. But I know who put her up to it.
Okay, so based on what the judge, do you have any firearms on your name?
Absolutely not.
Okay. Because if you do, you have to surrender any firearms and ammunition.
I'm not a violent person. You can pull. There's absolutely nothing on my record for violence. I don't have a record.
Listen to what it says here, okay? This is it says petitioner, which is a person who, Helen, is awarded exclusive use of the property located at 460 East 23rd Street, number 414, and respondent, which is yourself, is further ordered not to enter onto the residential premises of the petitioner, wherever located in the state of Florida. So with that said, until December 21st, you're not allowed to come in here.
Excuse me?
That's what the judge said. You have it there yourself. So let me see, where is it exactly that how much time frame you have to be able to leave, and you can't come back here till the 21st.
Oh, I see what they did. Okay.
It's not an eviction.
Excuse me, this is a loophole around it because Juan has told me that he knows all the police officers and he ran for mayor and he knows all the loopholes of how to get you guys on puppet strings to tiptoe around and do the things that he needs you to
I'm not
do.
doing anything for him. This is signed by a judge, ma'am. So I'm
Okay.
doing this based on what a judge signed, not me.
All right, so where do I go to file a complaint for her filing the false police report?
Same place. You can go to the clerk of courts. Any clerk of courts, any circuit clerk, which the address should be somewhere on here. So you have one here, 175 Northwest First Avenue. Suite 2400. That's one of the courthouses you can visit. Or you can go to the Hialeah courthouse down on Palm Avenue and 6th Street. But yeah, that's where we're at now. It's just they got a petition, they got an order, and the judge found it to be credible, and she just trying to see how much time they give you.
Well, there's absolutely no way that can happen today because I have to find a place that allows my pets. So,
Yeah, they're giving. I mean, I understand that, but can't stay. It's signed by a judge, ma'am. You can't stay.
and so if I refuse to leave, then I get arrested.
Because you're violating this order, yes.
Okay.
And I'm trying
Well,
to
I
avoid
need
that.
you to show me where it states.
What I just said?
No, where it states that I have to immediately.
It says the judge is awarding her the residence.
And when was this filed?
I'll tell you right now. December 5th at 2:58 p.m. So today at 3 o'clock.
Oh.
And the judge signed it. It was actually Judge Victoria for
Uh-huh.
Palm Avenue at 2:42 p.m. It was ordered.
Uh-huh.
They stamped it at that time, so
So am I able to lock this door when I leave out?
yeah. Once you leave, you lock this door. Nobody can come in here.
Well, how do I know that they don't have other keys?
Well, no. Technically, this is your residence from here forward, so they cannot come in here. They enter here, they're committing the crime of burglary. They cannot enter this room. There's nothing.
Okay, well, they've already filed a false report stating violence. There's actually been no violence whatsoever. So how do I protect my things that are in here? Because this is all fabrication.
Then you're gonna have to bring that up in court and show that proof that what they are saying about you is fabricated. Like I said.
Well, so far you haven't shown me what exactly I've done to her.
No,
It's just an
it's written
injunction
here.
order.
It's an injunction. It's written here. What they
Oh,
said.
so there's more of what they said that I've done.
Look how many pages there is here. I'm trying to show you.
Oh,
You
wow,
asked
there's
me to find you
numerous
where it says-
pages.
You asked me to find you where it says that you have to go, and then you asking me for something else.
Okay, I'm sorry. I apologize.
So
I'm
it's okay.
just
Don't do
trying
one
to
at a
get,
time.
you're absolutely right. I apologize.
So, this is what they wrote. The petitioner disabled states that the respondent is her roommate, who is unemployed and has been renting her room for a month. The parties rent separate rooms inside the same dwelling. The
Well-
landlord also resides in the same dwelling. So here it says, I guess, something happened today, and then.
I haven't even seen her today.
Ma'am, we're just stating what the
I'm
paper
telling you
says.
what the paper says, man.
That's not what we're saying. We're
If
saying
it's
what
correct,
the paper says.
if it's fabricated, or if it's true, or if it's not true, that's up for the court to determine. I'm going based off of what a judge ordered.
Okay. And what's the date of this hearing?
I'm sorry, December 21st.
Okay, but
And
I
the
can
names are here
go
highlighted.
here at any time.
Yeah, you can go to the address, Palm Avenue and 6th Street,
Uh-huh.
which is where the courthouse, 11 East 6th Street. That's where the courthouse is.
How far is that from here?
Not far at all. Maybe 10 minutes away or 5 minutes away driving,
Okay.
depending on traffic. Hold on, let me find you exactly where it says. Okay, here it says, willful violation of these terms and this injunction, such as refusing to vacate the dwelling that the parties share, going to petitioner residence or place of employment or school.
Okay, can I show you one thing?
Sure.
You may just notice on the first, I don't have to refuse to leave anything because I'm a tenant. The reason that,
Oh no, 100%. This is not even ours.
right, so what they're stating there is, okay, once again, lies. Okay, keep going, please. Oh,
So you cannot contact her. You cannot be 500 feet of her or the residence. So you have to. You can't be here. saying you have no contact.
Okay, well, I need to charge my phone then. Hold on. I'm not leaving here till my phone is charged because I have to, and my phone is complete.
Yeah,
This
so
phone is not on.
It's,
Hold on, let me charge this. Oh. Okay, go ahead, please.
I'm trying to finish reading this. Yeah, so this is where it says here. Petitioner, which is the person Helen, is awarded exclusive use of the property located at 460 East 23rd Street, apartment 414, and respondent, which is you, ma'am, is further ordered not to enter onto the residential premises of the petitioner wherever located in the state of Florida. So you're not allowed. You have to go. You cannot be here. And then here in the front, it says it. I was trying to read it when you walked away. So. Willful violation of these terms and injunctions, such as refusing to vacate the dwelling that the parties share, is arrestable, which is what I was telling you. It's a misdemeanor, first degree, punishable by up to 1 year in jail, as provided by section 775, and so forth.
Okay, so if
you are ordered to vacate. You have to take whatever you can for now, and then if you gotta come back, you call us, and we'll help you finish taking everything else you need to take. We'll be here present. You can't just come back here on your own, because if you do, you will be violating this order. You need to have a law enforcement officer present.
Okay, and so this, I'm not able to get in front of this judge until that actual date?
Right. But you can go over there and find out more about this. And you can go and tell them everything you're telling me now. You can go and tell the judge and tell me, listen, under this case number, this was presented to me. You say it's fabricated, explain that to the judge and see what they can do over there. Right now, I'm just a middleman. I'm just serving you with the injunction order. And I have to escort you out.
Okay, so you just expect me to just leave in my pajamas?
No. I'm giving you.
How much time are you?
Like, I can't
Okay,
be,
because
I can't be
my,
here
but sir, my phone is complete, this is not, phone is not, my phone is completely dead. I need my phone charged so I can, because he knows that my apartment is being fixed. That's why I'm renting this. It starts at, so my phone, as you can see, has, and I'm not lying to you, 0%.
So put it back on.
Okay?
Let it charge. And just gather, while it charges, gather whatever belongings you need, at least for the night.
Okay.
Whatever belongings, see if you can find some place to go. While your phone charges, grab whatever belongings you need, any sort of things of value that you need to take with you. We'll wait, but I can't be here more than an hour. So
Okay, well, it takes about, unfortunately, here, and I don't want you to think I'm giving you, I'm not, I want to show you, I'm not giving you bull crap.
Takes a little bit to
Yeah, oh my God, it's, unfortunately, that's saying 5 hours, but what I just need to get is like 50%. If I can get that, because I have to make phone calls,
That's fine.
okay?
That's fine. Just
And could you please note, I was not being difficult, or I
No,
don't
you're
want
not,
this
you're not.
fabricated beyond what has already been
Ma'am, you're not being
fabricated.
difficult. This is
Okay.
Sally, this is what my job is today.
I understand, and I understand, I'm just in shock.
Yeah, she has it in her. You have
Yeah.
her info, right?
No, I have my
I
info right
I
here.
just need an ID from you.
Okay, sure, and what do you need the ID for?
So I can
we gotta-
put it on the paper.
we gotta put it on the paper that you were sure.
Okay.